your Common Room page and welcome to another episode on Common Room's YouTube channel. Today, we're trying to upcycle these plastic containers and we wanted sana to make them look like cement vase. Usually yung DIY challenge na to is used for glass bottles and glass vases. But since we have a lot of plastic containers at home, I'm sure marami rin kayo mga ice cream containers. We wanted to see if that same technique can also be used for these plastic containers. We'll start with sanding yung mga plastic containers para mas kumapit yung paint. Our baking soda arrived. I think ito yung magpapa-matte look ng mga vase. Kasi diba usually yung paint smooth lang siya and sometimes it's even glossy. So I think by putting baking soda, mas nagiging rough siya, which is the texture of most terracotta pots, right? So we're going to mix paint and then baking soda. Wala naman siyang exact science kung gaano kadami. So mag-estimate lang tayo. Oh, look at that color. So pretty. We're going to start. Wow! Ang ganda. Wow! OMG! Nest. So, hindi natin pag-aksaya ng panahon yung puwet dahil hindi na nakikita yung puwet. Okay? Super pretty. So, kailangan nyo munang, of course, hintayin matuyo before applying the second layer para hindi siya maduming tingin. Okay! We're done for the day. Good. And 2 colors pa lang yung nagawa namin. Kuha na lang kami ng more plastic containers at home and then we'll continue on another day.
Yes. See you!
Nung DIY challenge namin and bumalik na kami here sa studio to check up on some of the plastic containers na pininturahan namin. We're very happy naman with how it turned out. I think cute naman siya. Kailangan lang talaga ng, I think, imagination and styling para mapaganda pa namin to. So, I think some needs another coat and we'll try to finish the rest. So, we're going to paint them with the other colors that we bought the other day. Okay. Ano pa apron pa na nalaman. Okay. Let's do this! Guys, parang uulan. So, ideally, guys, you're not supposed to do this kapag umuulan. Kasi, siyempre, maaanggian yung mga pinapatuyo nyo. And, baka magkaroon ng water spot. Diba? Yung mga pagtalsik. So, better kung gagawin nyo sa dapat na araw. Kami lang, we don't have any other day to do it. Because, you know, I'm a mom. So, today is the only day we can do it. So, pupush namin. third day. Matapos na namin siya kasi we're super excited! Kanina, we tried styling one and it looks so cute! Hindi talaga sa mukhang plastic. We're so excited to style. Bye! Gotta go! Third day! Sana matapos na namin today, pero parang ang dami pa. Sana makakapaghalaman na kami today. Let me show you. Sobra pa niyang hindi maganda at all. I'm not sure. I think this is baking soda. So, ito yung part ng challenge na we didn't anticipate. Kasi, yung mga tutorial naman namin nakita, naghalo lang ng baking soda. Maybe, kailangan pa naming haluin ng mas mabuti. Are you ready, Ate Sel?
In 3, 2, 1, char.
Oh my gosh, you're so excited. Gusto mo lang ko na magdanim para dun sa mga okay na pots. Meron tayo here compost and loam soil in case kailanganin pa ng ibang plants natin. First. Definitely isa lang kasya dito.
Okay, take 3 na to.
Maganda naman kayo si Mike! I'm so happy with it! Ikaw, Ate Sel, nagandahan ka ba?
Of course, mukha na siyang shala from plastic. It looks like vases na mga clay pots na may mga texture. So,
And definitely something that you can also use inside the house, di ba? Kasi talaga. Oh, anyway, anong lesson, Ate Sel?
Lesson number 1, definitely something to do with baking soda. So, one is, wag masyadong madaling ilagay. So, we realized it along the way. Dapat durugin nyo din properly yung baking soda para mag-mix well with the paint. Because during the multiple layering namin, nag-bubble up. Lumabas yung powder ng baking soda. So, but it's okay. Mix lang and then layer lang ulit.
Another lesson, of course, guys, is kung gagawin nyo na siya and ita-try nyo siya, better talaga na mas maaraw yung panahon para pwede na rin siyang, yung mga first coating, yung second coating, pwede na rin siyang matuyo within the day. And I guess, ultimately, ang pinaka-mahalagang lesson talaga nitong project na to is if gusto nyo talagang magkaroon ng use yung mga plastic containers nyo sa bahay. Like this one, this is the scoop. This one is just ice cream. Some are just biscuit containers. This one is an alcohol holder. So definitely, pwede pa rin silang maging maganda. And also, another tip, if you wanna try this at home, there will be stages, guys, that you feel discouraged. Kasi in your head, it just really looks like a Coke bottle or it just looks like an ice cream container. Tiwala lang, kapit lang. Kapag natapos nyo na siya, pag nalagay nyo na yung halaman sa loob, definitely it will look like this! Thank you guys for joining us in today's episode. And if you like this episode, please like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel. Please support our community. And if you have suggestions,
comment down below. And of course, share our video to your friends and family so you can do this DIY challenge.
Okay,
Thank
bye
you.
guys. This
Bye.
is